Now let us try to develop an application where the user has to arrange the elements in the increasing order of atomic number, that is as per in the periodic table. So this application will be more useful for students who want to learn periodic table in a fun way. So here I have added the very first 10 elements of the periodic table, and the user should arrange these items in the order of atomic number with 1 at the top and 10 at the bottom. So let me try to arrange. Hydrogen is the very first one. So suppose I put it in the wrong place, we will see a red into mark, and if I drag it to the first position, that is the correct position, then we will see a green check mark. So now let me try to arrange the items in the correct order. After hydrogen, then the second element is helium, right? So suppose I put it here, we will see a check mark, hydrogen, helium, then lithium, then comes beryllium, then boron, then carbon, then nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. Now carbon and neon are in the correct positions, but as we haven't moved these items got rearranged when we moved the other items. So as we haven't moved these items, we are not seeing the check mark. So what we can do is we can click this check button to check whether these items are in correct order or not. So this is the application we are going to develop, and to develop this application we are going to make use of jQuery UI's sortable interaction. So first we have to add the required elements, and then we will write the code to implement this functionality using jQuery and jQuery UI. To illustrate this, I have already saved a web page with name periodictable.html and changed the title to periodic table. Then I have added reference to latest jQuery and jQuery UI files. Now we need to add the required elements. So first let me add a div element within which we will be adding all the required elements. So first let me have the div element with the ID box. Okay. Then let me add the h1 element first, telling the user you have to arrange the elements. We can either specify as in the periodic table or in the increasing order of atomic number. So I am going to add it in the h2 tag, that is as heading 2, in the increasing order of atomic number. Okay. Then we need to have the elements added. So let me specify OL, that is I want to have them with 1 to 10 number. So I am adding OL with ID elements, and within this we need to add the elements. So first let us add them in the correct order itself, and then we will just change their positions. Okay. So first let me specify LI, and as ID I am specifying numbers from 1 to 10 so that we can check whether the element is sorted into the correct order. Okay. So let me specify hydrogen. Let me check in the periodic table or here itself, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium. So let me specify Li with ID equal to 2 as helium, then Li ID equal to 3 as lithium, then comes beryllium, boron. So Li with ID 4 beryllium, then ID 5 is boron. Okay. Then next 6 is carbon, then 7 is nitrogen, then oxygen, then the last two are fluorine and neon. So 9 is, ID equal to 9 is fluorine, FLOURINE, and the last one is neon. So LIID equal to neon. 10, and the item is neon. Now let me save this, refresh. This is the page. These are the items. Arrange the elements in the increasing order of atomic number: hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. Next, we need to have a button as well. Then we have to style these, right? So let me add a button with ID equal to BTN check and text as check. So the elements are ready. Next, what we need to do, we have to style these elements so that they will look more professional, and also we need to arrange these items in the wrong order. We will do it in the next lecture.